If you didn't know what is coming up, I believe in a week, it is the Kentucky Derby. My crazy hat is just a cowboy hat, so that's all you're going to get. But the Kentucky Derby is basically known for a couple things: cocktails and horse racing. You can switch those around depending how you look at it. But every time it is always trending about mint juleps. And these have been around, at least from what I could tell, from the early 1800s. And they've been adopted, and it's kind of a staple. I believe they sell over 120,000 of these drinks during this kind of weekend, which is really just a 2-minute race. It's pretty exciting. There's a lot of money on the line, and it's just a big event. I think last year I went and watched wiener dog races right before it. So 2 exciting events in one, plus mint juleps. But the mint julep is pretty simple. It's really 2 ounces of bourbon, half an ounce of simple syrup. You're going to take a few mints, muddle it, and then you're going to dilute it with crushed ice. So it's really like a diluted, kind of sweetened, minty bourbon, kind of like a refreshing kind of cocktail take on that. So we're going to go ahead and make it. I'm not going to use the typical mint julep glass because I didn't want to go buy one. I'm going to use just a fancy glass. So that's all I need. You can use whatever you want. You can go buy the custom ones, but let's go ahead and make it. All right, so we're first going to get the bourbon out of the way. We're going to bring the glass in, and then we're going to take, I'm going to do about 6 mint leaves here, and we're basically just going to put them in here, and we're going to gently muddle them with a little bit of simple syrup. See, just a little bit more. That's all I need. We're going to do half an ounce of simple syrup with this. There you go, nice and pretty. And then once again, you're just going to gently kind of muddle it. Just get the expression out. You're not going to just completely demolish it. Just take it easy, express the oils, and that's really all you need with this. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of the bourbon. I'm doing Buffalo Trace. Got a little Kentucky bourbon there. Then we're going to add a little bit of crushed ice and stir it, which is going to give us that dilution factor. Now I'm only going to fill it up about halfway. Just like that. And then we're going to give it a nice stir. Get the glass kind of nice and misty. That's when you know it'll actually be nice and cold, and it's no longer going to dilute it. You're going to get this nice kind of caramel color once it's completely diluted and add a good mix. You really feel the glass get cold once you know it's actually stirred enough. And now you could technically get big ice cubes so it dilutes it yet less and then pour it over shaved ice. But it kind of depends how diluted you want it and how alcohol heavy you want it. So it's really just kind of up to the person making it. Alright, so now we're going to top it off with the rest of the kind of crushed ice. I'll make a mess here. Give it a nice little wipe. Keep your table clean. And then you're going to take an extra mint sprig that you have here. You're going to slap it to kind of help release some of the oils in it. It's going to help it smell a little bit more. I'm going to snap a little bit of it off. You see some of the leaves fell off there. And then we're just going to kind of stick it in there. And then we'll have a nice little kind of decoration there. So, beautiful mint julep. Now, it'll kind of slowly rise up to the top. You could even give it a nice little stir. And it'll help kind of mix it up in here. Alright, so there's that mint julep for you. I don't even know why I had the shaker here. It's kind of pointless. But it's good decoration. Overall, you'll see the kind of bourbon kind of dilution will work its way up to glass. It'll look a little bit kind of half to 3/4 full, and it slowly kind of works up. Depends on the ice and everything you use there. But let's go ahead and try it out. That's good. That's really good, actually. This, and it could be 100 degrees, it could be 120 degrees, like out here in Texas. This is going to be an excellent cocktail, no matter what. The mint and the simple syrup elevates the bourbon to just a nice kind of subtle sweet. Even with a little bit of honey, this would be really good. But overall, it's just an easy sipper, excellent kind of drink for the Kentucky Derby coming up. And if you want to make this any time during the summer, it's perfect, just no matter what. I'm a big fan of it, and yeah, it's super easy. It looks good. Mint is cheap. It's basically a weed. You can grow it real quick out in the yard. Just kind of whatever you need. Mm, that's good. That's good. All right. Let me know what you think of this cocktail. I'm going to make some more. Hopefully, you enjoy the Kentucky Derby that's coming up. And let me know if you want any money with it, because I probably won't. But let me know. Cheers.